Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you about plant movement. The movement in plant part of a plant is usually growth movement. If one side of the stem has more oxygen hormone than other side, then the side of the stem having more oxygen, जिस साइड में अधिक ऑक्सीजन होगा will grow faster than the other side. This will cause the stem to bend. The plant movements made in response to external stimuli, बाहरी कारण, fall into two main categories. इस पूरे प्लांट मूवमेंट को टू कैटेगरीज में रखा गया. फर्स्ट ट्रॉपिज्म, सेकंड नेस्टिज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो अबाउट ट्रॉपिज्म. ट्रॉपिज्म, a growth movement of plant part in response to external stimuli. Response to external stimulus, in which the direction of the stimulus determine the direction of response, is called tropism. Thus, tropism is directional movement of the plant part of a plant caused by its growth. Type of tropism. On the basis of डायरेक्शन, डायरेक्शन के आधार पर, मोमेंट के डायरेक्शन, उस आधार पर ट्रॉपिज्म आर ऑफ टू टाइप. फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव ट्रॉपिज्म, सेकंड नेगेटिव ट्रॉपिज्म. पॉजिटिव ट्रॉपिज्म, if the growth of a plant part is toward the stimulus, growth of a plant part is toward the stimulus, is called positive tropism. Negative tropism, if the growth of a plant part is away from the stimulus, is called negative tropism. Now, on the basis of the stimulus in environment में जितने stimulus present है उस आधार पर there are five types of tropism. Tropism are named according to the stimulus are following. Stimulus के आधार पर tropism का नाम. On the basis of a stimulus present in our environment, the type of tropism. A stimulus, type of tropism. A stimulus, light, tropism, phototropism. A stimulus, gravity, tropism, geotropism. A stimulus, chemical, tropism, chemotropism. A stimulus, water, tropism, hydrotropism. A stimulus, touch, tropism, pygmotropism. Now, I explain detail one by one. First of all, phototropism. Phototropism, the movement of plant part in response to light. Moment of plant part in response to light is called phototropism. If the plant part moves toward light, it is positive phototropism. On the other hand, if the plant part moves away from light, then it is negative phototropin. Example, growth of the stem is positive phototropin and growth of root is negative phototropin. Geotropin, geotropin ये हुआ phototropin. But geotropin, the movement of a plant part in response to gravity is called geotropin. If root of plant move downward in the direction of gravity, then it is positive geotropin. On the other hand, the shoot of a plant move upward against the direction of gravity is called negative geotropin. Third type of tropin, chemotropin. The movement of a plant part in response to a chemical. Chemical stimulus is called chemotropin. The growth of pollen tube toward ovule during fertilization in a flower is an example of chemotropin. फोटोट्रोपिन में लाइट स्टिमुलस का काम किया. अगर लाइट के तरफ बढ़ रहा है टुवर्ड लाइट तो हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव फोटोट्रोपिन. लाइट से दूर हट रहा है अवे फ्रॉम लाइट तो हो जाएगा निगेटिव फोटोट्रोपिन. जियोट्रोपिन ग्रेविटी के रिस्पॉन्स टू ग्रेविटी called geotropin. Plant move downward in the direction of gravity. Gravity के डायरेक्शन में ग्रोथ, then it is positive geotropin. On the other hand, shoot of a plant moves upward against the direction of gravity. Move upward against the direction of gravity is called negative geotropin. Chemotropin, the movement of a plant part in response to a chemical. A stimulus chemical है. Chemical stimulus is called chemotropin. The growth of pollen tube toward the ovule during fertilization in a flower is an example of chemotropin. Now fourth and fifth. Now we know about four type of tropin. Hydrotropin. Hydro means water. The movement of a plant part in response to water is called hydrotropin. The roots of a plant always go toward water, so it is positive hydrotropin. On the other hand, shoot of a plant moves away from water. On the other hand, shoots of a plant moves away from water. It is negative hydrotropin. Now, fifth tropin, thigmotropin, touch. The directional growth movement of a plant part in response to the touch. Response to the touch of an object is called thigmotropy. The tendril, tender branch of plant, tendril, soft part of plant, grow toward any support to touch. It is positive thigmotropy. Now we know the importance of trophy, the importance of tropic movement, the various type of tropic movement, phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, thigmotropism, help the plant to survive. For example, if a seed is planted upside down, its root will grow downward. Similarly, the shoot of such a seed will grow upward. These tropic movement help the plant to obtain water by root and nutrients, by root from soil and light from the sun, which is necessary for their growth and stimulus. Next day, we know about second type of plant movement, nestic movement. Thanks.